Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Coursera. This is an important step if you want to enroll in paid courses or start a free trial that requires billing details. Don't worry, the process is quick and very easy. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Coursera website. Just type coursera.org into your address bar and press enter. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner. If you already have an account, click Log In and sign in using your email and password. If you're new to Coursera, click Join for free to create an account. When signing up, you can either enter your details manually, like your name, email address, and password, or you can sign up faster by continuing with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. After you log into your account, the next step is to select a course that you want to enroll in. You can browse courses from the homepage or use the search bar to find a specific topic you're interested in. Once you open a course page, click the Enroll button. If the course requires payment or offers a free trial, Coursera will ask you to add a payment method before continuing. At this point, you'll see a payment form. Here, you need to enter your card details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure you type everything correctly so the payment method can be verified. After entering your payment information, review the details and confirm the setup. If the course offers a free trial, you may also see an option to start the trial before the billing period begins. Once you confirm, your payment method will be added to your Coursera account, which means you'll be able to enroll in paid courses more easily in the future without re-entering your details every time. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method on Coursera. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you'll be ready to start learning from thousands of courses available on the platform. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.